Hey everybody, welcome to Paradise Records. Today we're looking at the K-pop Demon Hunters soundtrack from the Netflix film. This has several songs. We have Takedown twice, once by what I'm going to refer to as a cover version, and then once by Huntrix. So we have Takedown, cover version, How It's Done by Huntrix, Soda Pop by their rivals, the Soulja Boys, Golden, which is the first song I believe you hear in the movie, Strategy by Twice, so Takedown by the Huntrix, Your Idol by Soulja Boys, Free by Remy and Jiru, What Sounds Like a Huntrix, Love Me by Mallets, Your Path by Joker, and Sound Sweet. Overall, really good songs I've ever since I put on my iPhone. I listened to them multiple times, so I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. Good music. I'm not a K-pop guy, but I really enjoy the songs on here. I'd say probably my favorite ones are probably Soda Pop, Golden, and Takedown. Though I have listened to Your Idol a couple times too. Let me know if you guys have listened to this and what your favorite songs are in the comments below. Until next time, this is Paradise Records. Until next time, the store is closed.